Do not present your stuff in a boring way. And I said present it in this stunning way that can catch anyone's eye. See the rest of this tutorial and learn how to do it. Hi everyone, welcome to Step-by-Step PowerPoint. In this tutorial, we want to learn how to create design for introducing our step in our business. For this, in first step, add your picture. Now, change your background. Right-click on Slide, Format Background, go to Pattern field, and select a pattern that you like. For example, this pattern, and I change our background. Now, add rectangle 3 times bigger than your slide. Go to Insert, Shape, select Rectangle, and draw a rectangle 3 times bigger than your slide. Remove its outline and change its color and change its transparency. I think 50% is okay. Add another rectangle in this way. Go to Insert, Shape, select Rectangle, and draw a rectangle. Remove the outline and change its color to white. Now, select your bigger rectangle and then your small rectangle. Go to Shape Format, Merge Shape, and choose Subtract. Now, duplicate your slide. In this step, first select your picture and go to Picture Format, Crop to Shape, and select Rectangle. Resize your picture and reposition it. Now, add your text. Change your font and size. Duplicate your first slide again. Move the rectangle to the picture that you want. Select your picture, go to Picture Format, Crop to Shape, and choose Rectangle. Resize your picture and add your text. Do whatever you've done up to here for all your pictures. Now, after you have done adding your text and changing your picture, you can remove your first slide. Select all your slide by Shift key and then go to the transition and choose Morph. Then go to the slideshow and see what's happened. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and see the rest of our tutorial in this channel. Don't forget, subscribe it.